Welcome to our guide on how to play Brawl Stars on PC in 2025. It's one of the most popular mobile games, and today we'll show you how to bring that fun to your computer. Playing Brawl Stars on PC is a game changer. Enjoy larger visuals and better control. Let's dive into how to make it happen. First, let's check the system requirements you'll need for playing Brawl Stars on your PC. Ensure your setup meets these standards for optimal performance. To start, you'll need an Android emulator. Here's how to download and install one. Once installed, let's optimize the emulator for the best gameplay experience. Adjust these settings to make sure everything runs smoothly. Now let's download Brawl Stars from the Google Play Store within the emulator. It's just a few clicks away. Configuring your controls is crucial for a seamless gaming experience. Let's look at how to set them up for Brawl Stars. Here are some tips to elevate your Brawl Stars gameplay on PC, ensuring you get the most out of your experience. Sometimes you might face issues while playing. Here are common problems and how to troubleshoot them effectively. And that's it. Enjoy playing Brawl Stars on your PC. Level up your experience and share your battles with friends.